Welcome to the final episode of Security Minutes with SecurityHQ. Mitch, Farhan, we've covered a lot of ground. We've talked about, we've introduced SecurityHQ, we've talked about some customer wins, we've talked about the managed cyber defense offerings. What I want to do now is just get some final thoughts and key takeaways from each one of you. Mitch, maybe I'll start with you.
So when I speak to customers, the things that they're looking for a partnership and someone that's going to work with them as a partner and that's going to take them along for a journey. The second thing that they're after is they want to drive an outcome. So they want a service that's going to help them make meaningful progress on the cybersecurity journey so that they can mitigate business risks and move the cybersecurity dial. The other thing that's important is having a partner that has the ability to help them detect and respond to incidents quickly. So that means having that right people, process, and technology, having the expertise to be able to provide context and prioritization on what that means. They're probably the three key takeaways that I have.
And really kind of summarizing it up, it's really about partnering with our customers, extending their team.
Yeah.
And the really good points, Mitch. Farhan, how about you?
So I would go back to one of the points that were discussed in the previous episodes with simplicity. What we have seen is the customer wants to know, are they protected? Is there someone looking at the environment? Simple reporting that they can report up the chain. They want someone to reach out to in an event when things go wrong. Yeah, I've seen, in my experience, what I've started to see is less of technological discussions, as in what sits under the hood, and more of outcome-driven discussions with the customer. So that's the change in the way I would say the requirements are being drafted at present. So are we covered? How are we going to improve the security posture? Processes to improve the security posture. How are we measuring it, right? And one of the important thing that our service deliver is everything is measured. When we talk single pane of glass, everything is time stamped there. So when we talk SLAs, the customer themselves can see when the log was created and when the actual incident was created or informed on the customer was notified. Everything that we talked about is more outcome driven and measured, which we do with our customers very regularly.
Just to add to that, what customers are also looking to do is looking for a service that's going to leverage the existing technology that they have where possible, because there will be some commercial realities where they need to sweat an asset and be able to do that in a way where they can still drive an outcome. So having that flexibility to be able to provide a service where we're leveraging their own technology that they're already invested in.
So we talked a lot about outcomes. We've talked a lot about flexibility. From my perspective, when I looked at how we were going to deliver SOC to the market, it was very much focused on that. I wanted to be able to provide a service to customers that gives them the ability. Ultimately, I want to make sure that we're improving a customer's overall security posture. It's really important to be able to give customers insights about what's happening in their environment, particularly when there's an event that needs to be dealt with. But it's also important to be able to help them over time increase their overall security posture. And I think that's the power of this partnership and what we bring. Team, this has been an incredible journey. We've been on 7 episodes. We've covered a lot of ground. I want to thank both of you for the information that you provided. For those that have been watching, please remember that we have more information available on our website, data3.com/security. Thank you very much, and we look forward to seeing you in a new set of episodes in the very near future. Thank you very much.